Bajato presents tail flasher lamp TL382. This is a replacement for JCB Construction's vehicles. The OEM part number for this lamp is as shown on the screen. It has polypropylene housing and PMMA lens. It has 2 bolts. This is the indicator function, reflex reflector function, and this is the tail and stop function. This lamp has a flat base. We have a 4-pin connector here which is as per the fitment in the vehicle. This lamp can be ordered in any voltage as per the vehicle. We can also supply a separate lens of this lamp. And when you buy this you get value for money and long product life.